Here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make homemade chicken seasoning. This is good or best for for seasoning your chicken, stews, and even your jollof rice. Let's get started. In the saucepan, I added in oil, followed by chicken breast. The chicken breast, I chopped it into smaller pieces, tiny cubes. I then added in chopped celery, chopped onion, bell peppers. The bell peppers, I'm using red, yellow, and green. I added in zucchini and carrots. The last ingredient that I added in was chopped fresh rosemary. I'll stir this together till well combined. Cover it and let it cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. So I'll cover it here and let it cook for that minute. After 7 to 10 minutes, I'll go ahead and open it and then add in the salt. You need much salt here. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. I'll stir this together till well combined again and then cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes again. So as you can tell here, it has started, the veggies have started releasing water. That is okay because of the salt that I added it to it. So I'll cook it for about 7 minutes more again and then I'll transfer it to my blender. So as you can tell, there's still liquid in. The liquid will help it blend. You want a smooth paste. So that's it. I'll go ahead and blend it, and when you are done blending, that's how it should look like. Make sure it's smooth, just like so. I'll then transfer it back into my saucepan and then cook this for about 7 to 15 minutes. So guys, you want to go ahead and cook it until the liquid in the veggies evaporate. You don't want to see any liquid in it. So as you can see, or as you can tell here, it's creamy. I'll cook it. Please stay close to it and keep stirring. If not, it will get burned at the bottom of your pot. This does not take long at all, so keep stirring until it thickens up. As you can tell here, it's thickening up. We are still not there. We will get there, and when you get to this point like this, it's ready. You can tell there's no liquid. It's a bit solid now. Just look at it. When you get to this point, you are the right, you've reached your destination. So I'll take it and transfer it into my baking pan or baking tray. Make sure to spread it and make sure it's flat. Like when you spread it evenly, it's easier for it to get ready. But then if it's thick, it will take long for it to bake or for it to get ready in the oven. As you can tell, I even use my fork to create holes in the middle so that it will get dried. After, I'll place this in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, just look at it. As you can tell from the video, the surface is dried out. So I'll stir it till well combined again and then place it in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for another 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, that's it guys. You want to do this until this dries out, but then if you put it in the oven for a long time, it's going to get burnt and you're not going to get a good result. So even here, when you break it, it's still break, but it has not dried out completely. I'll then place it lastly at the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes again, and that's it guys. This is completely dried, and as you can tell from the video, when I break, it breaks just like so. This is what you're looking for. So I'll leave it for it to cool down completely before putting it in my coffee grinder and grind this until smooth. Once it dries completely, I'll transfer it into my coffee grinder and grind this for about 30 seconds. You do not want it to go smooth, but if you don't have a coffee grinder, you can put it in the blender and blend it. The blender is going to make it smooth than the coffee grinder, but then it's all the same thing. After, I'll go ahead and sieve it and you're good to go. So this is it guys. This is best for stews, for soups, for seasoning your